With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The statement that we have says static friction is more than sliding friction. So the statement is true. Why? Because while that sliding friction is at play, what happens is the grooves do not get enough time to get interlocked with each other, whereas what happens during static friction, the grooves of the two surfaces in contact are at rest, hence get interlocked with each other greatly, right? And hence what happens, the static friction is then more than the sliding friction. I hope you have understood this answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.